Hi everybody, KDKA meteorologist Kristin Emery in the Weather Center. We're looking at a pretty quiet rest of your Sunday evening, but a couple interesting weather tidbits, especially if you live south of Pittsburgh. If you live in the Laurel Highlands, or if you're along or south of I-70, you might not be done with a couple of snowflakes. This is our last weekend of winter officially for 2018-2019. The clouds will roll in as we speak. There's moisture coming at us from the west, but it's all evaporating as it heads toward the ground. So none of it really reaching the ground yet. But by the time we get to late tonight, after say 11 midnight and overnight tonight, we could see a few of those snow showers start to reach the ground along and south of I-70. So maybe a flurry, perhaps a snow shower, could get a coating or so, maybe up to a half an inch in places like Somerset, Champion, Donegal, down into Preston and Tucker counties in West Virginia, Garrett County, Maryland, possibly 2 to maybe in the highest elevations, say 3 inches of snow. But it'll all melt. We'll be in the 40s again tomorrow, and then a warm up late week just in time for spring. Here's your 24-hour temperature trend. Again tonight, very similar day tomorrow to what we had today. We dip down to the upper 20s overnight, lower 40s for highs tomorrow. That's about 5 to 6 degrees colder than average for this time of year. So here's the timing with Futurecast. You see this activity swinging in from the west, and then it kind of dives down, takes a little jog to the south, and will stay south of I-70 and will really kind of linger along I-68 there. So Morgantown all the way over to Cumberland, likely to get a few snow flurries or a few snow showers, maybe a sprinkle of rain even to start. And there you see maybe a coating possible from Uniontown over to the east. And then it's all done. Tomorrow afternoon around 5-6 p.m. we could get a flurry up into Butler, Armstrong counties, maybe a sprinkle across portions of the Pittsburgh area to the south, but for an hour or so. Other than that, pretty quiet except for Wednesday, when we'll have our next chance of some precipitation. Could start as a few wet flakes changing to rain, but spring arrives Wednesday, and so does a nice warm up. So we'll have all the details coming up for you later tonight on KDKA and Pittsburgh CW. Have a great rest of your Sunday.